Look at Bruce.
Hello, handsome.
He's like, what you doing, Mom? So I came out this morning to check on the chickens. It's about 6 o'clock. Look what I seen again. Now, I don't know what's going on with this critter. I think I'm gonna have to set a trap. He's getting brave. It's raining out, y'all. Look, I see all his little tracks. And I think he did this. Really? He must be living under there. That's his hiding spot. I know Bruce be barking at stuff. I'm gonna catch me a critter. Guaranteed. Because he ain't gonna be coming over here looking for easy meals. Punk ass raccoon. Y'all take care.